Los Angeles, California.
It didn't go off. No, the ring camera went off.
This woman saw the Ring camera and still took a leak in that corner right there.
Hey, Cole. Yeah. I'll give this about 3, 2, 1. Hey, come on.
Are you serious?
Yep. Let me come outside.
Chicago, Illinois. This man didn't want to go to the shop and decided to steal flowers from someone's garden. Miami, Florida. She just stole this package with no shame left behind. Denver, Colorado. Luckily, this resident was on time to stop the fire.
Hey, I got a fire.
Phoenix, Arizona. This thief didn't feel like buying a bike, so he stole one. Seattle, Washington. This young man didn't like to be on camera, but he was already too late. Boston, Massachusetts. Porch pirating has been normalized too much. Dallas, Texas. Watch how this random person came and took pictures of the window. Kinda suspicious if you ask me. San Francisco, California. Imagine someone came into your backyard and stole your bike out of your shed. Portland, Oregon. Watch how this creepy man was scanning this buggy in front of her door.
You better get the fuck away from my door right fucking now!
Detroit, Michigan. This guy came here so often that they left a note behind to stop stealing their mail. He obviously didn't care. Charlotte, North Carolina. These kids were running around the neighborhood and throwing rocks at people's homes. San Diego, California. This person just stole some water bowl filters for cats. Not worth it, I think. Orlando, Florida. This guy even steals things that are locked in his bike. Always lock everything. Buffalo, New York. Well, that's one way to block a Ring camera. Salt Lake City, Utah. Yeah, just throw your bike right there. St. Louis, Missouri. Mind you, this is not even his home, and he just walked in. Boise, Idaho. Watch how this woman steals random signs. Charleston, South Carolina. By the way, how clumsy this goes. I guess this is his first time. Spokane, Washington. Don't know why he needed a leaf blower that bad. He even tested it on his way out.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Little Rock, Arkansas. This man walked around the neighborhood and tore down American flags. Flagstaff, Arizona. He thought he was slick while stealing a package. Santa Fe, New Mexico. Someone's ex-girlfriend got really mad and decided to cut out the internet. Dallas, Texas. Watch how this grandpa cracked someone's code and went inside.
1216 Ibex. Huh. Run the paper here. No, I'm just gonna run this here. There. Check. 5756329. Check. 31119. 1 4. Check.
Houston, Texas. This man even brought his own bag to steal some packages.